As a future teacher, I understand that my role is not only to deliver content, but to support the learning by believing every student can succeed. At Grand Canyon University, the professional dispositions of learners reminds us that teachers must demonstrate fairness, care, and responsibility in how they plan, teach, and reflect on their practice. By doing so, teachers uphold professional expectations and collaborate to advance the entire field of education. When I think of my own professional dispositions, I see that I already bring a strong belief in the potential of all students, a commitment to lifelong learning, and respect for diverse backgrounds. I value honesty and responsibility, which guide how I interact with students, families, and colleagues. These dispositions will help me foster trust and create an inclusive classroom. At the same time, I know I need to continue working on dispositions such as flexibility when lessons shift unexpectedly and deepening my reflection practices. GCU emphasizes reflection as a key part of professional growth, and I want to strengthen this so I can consistently improve my instruction and decision making. An essential part of this is addressing personal bias. Research shows that teachers' dispositions directly influence how biases affect instruction. For example, a 2023 study published in the International Journal of STEM Education found that teachers' race and gender biases can shape expectations and assessment, but that positive dispositions, such as fairness and a belief in student potential, can buffer and reduce these effects. Similarly, a 2024 study published in the Early Childhood Research Quarterly emphasizes that teachers' dispositions toward diversity, inclusion, equity, and justice are critical for creating classrooms where all students are valued and supported. These studies reinforce the importance of GCU's emphasis on fairness, respect, and inclusivity. Finally, upholding academic and professional integrity is central to both my journey as a teacher candidate and my future role as an educator. This means citing sources correctly, respecting confidentiality, acting responsibly in my professional settings, and modeling honesty for students. By living these values, I can demonstrate integrity while also teaching students the importance of ethical responsibility in their own lives. In conclusion, GCU's professional disposition of learners gives me a roadmap for how to grow as an educator. By practicing fairness, reflection, responsibility, and respect, and by applying what research teaches us about dispositions and bias, I will support student success, honor the teacher profession, and model the values that define effective educators.